Instagram, Facebook. Right now I'm working on my write down your objections. I'm showing you how you should write down for my sales job I have. Every time I finish up the next day, I write down my objections: successful or was not unsuccessful. And this helps me develop the strategy for when I'm going to go in for the next day. What are some things I'm going to work on? What are some paperwork I got to work on? So $2,120 in sales on Thursday, $3,067 in sales on Friday. And I'm using a Grant Cardone Closer Survival Guide, Understanding the Buyer. Understand the buyer psychology. Also, you know me from Martin Morris, 53, 26 years in sales. Started the Too Old to Be Broke program because as you grow older, you don't want to be too broke and have any money in your pocket. So go join my YouTube channel, join my 5,000 subscriber challenge, and go join my ClickFunnels, Too Old to Be Broke, and sales objections. Run them down.